tells us to solve two simultaneous equations, one of which is a circle, this one, and one of which is a straight line, y equals x plus 4. So I'm going to label this one equation 1 and equation 2. And a key bit here is that the question says 3 significant figures. That means that whatever happens as after I've solved the simultaneous bit and got one equation, one quadratic, it's not going to factorize. So I'm going to have to use the quadratic formula here, which is minus b x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But first of all, I have to get rid of the y's here, so sub 2 into 1, and that will give me x squared equals x squared plus y squared is x plus 4 all squared equals 20. That's x squared plus 8x plus 4x is plus 8x plus 16 equals 20. Collect like terms, that's 2x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 20, but I'm going to minus the 20 from the 16 in this step. So minus 20 from both sides. 16 minus 20 is minus 4 equals 0. Now all of these are multiples of 2, so I can divide the whole thing by 2 on both sides, which gives me x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. This isn't going to factorize, I know that already. I could try, I could spend some time, but it's not going to happen because they've asked me to give it to 3 significant figures, and that's a giveaway. So I'm now going to use the quadratic formula, and I'm going to label these a, b, and c, where a is 1, b is 4, and c is minus 2. Using the formula, x equals minus 4 minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared, that's 16, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 2, all of which is over 2 times 1. That's minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 16. Minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, times that by minus 2, and that is plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24, all over 2. I can write this in a simpler way because it's going to be a surd, and this is 4 times 6, and 4 is a square number, so I can take that outside the brackets. So that's minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 6 over 2, and because all these can cancel, that becomes minus 2 plus or minus root 6. I can then put that into my calculator. I'm looking for 3 significant figures. In my calculator I get x equals minus 2 plus root 6 is 0.449 to 3 significant figures, and minus 2 minus root 6 gives me minus 4.45. And then looking at the original equations, y equals x plus 4. So y equals that plus 4. Of course, when I add a 4 to that, then that's a significant figure, so I need to round that up to 4.45. And the reverse will be true here. When I add 4 to that, I'm going to get minus 0.449. And those are my 2 solutions. 2 pairs of solutions to that problem.